Welcome to the all-new PrintFriendly. I'm going to walk you through our 3 core features. First, we still do what we've always done best, creating clean, printable web pages. Just click Reader Mode to remove ads and clutter. You can delete anything you don't want. You can edit the page, and then print it, save it as a PDF, or email it. We've also added direct integrations with sites like ChatGPT, Gmail, Claude, and others, making it easy to save content directly as a PDF. Second, our biggest new feature is our built-in PDF editor. You can view and edit PDFs, add annotations, compress files, convert them to other formats, sign documents, and much more. Finally, let's look at our screenshot tools. Full page screenshot captures an entire web page from top to bottom. When it's finished, you can save it as an image or PDF, or open it in PrintFriendly to keep editing. Whether you're printing a web page, editing a PDF, or capturing a screenshot, PrintFriendly has you covered. Give it a try.